Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Southern Wealth. If you do enjoy the content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. I will be live tomorrow, and I hope to see a lot of you there. I hope we can discuss a few things, including some meme stocks, some crypto, some stocks, some real stuff in the economy, macro trends, and all of the good stuff. Now, quick update here on the meme stocks and the AMC kind of debacle. Once again, unfortunately, the videos don't stop. It's the same thing. Now the MOAS is confirmed. Now they will allow it to happen. Now these people are meeting with those people to start the MOAS. And that's it. It's guaranteed now. Now the declining stock market is going to cause the MOAS. And I don't know, the coming of winter will start the MOAS. You name it, it's already the same story once again. Now, what I want to tell yourselves today is this kind of behavior, this clickbait, these lies, all of this crap, unfortunately, will be very, very prevalent during the crypto bull market. You see, you need to understand a couple of things. Number one, back to basics in terms of cryptos. Strong communities, cult-like communities, religious communities around coins, very good. It's so funny that Bitcoin maximalists call other maxis of other coins or people that have other investments, oh, these guys belong to a cult. They forgot that Satoshi was compared to Jesus, that Bitcoin was many times referenced as a religion. People in the legacy world, meaning in the stock market world, in the old finance world, would call Bitcoiners complete cult behaving people. That Bitcoin basically was the it was the second coming of Jesus. I mean, all of these things, and they fail to realize that that's actually a very positive thing. Why? Because communities that behave like that, they buy, they don't sell. I mean, for example, Shiba Inu had a very strong community. That coin actually went down at some point 99%, and then it went up, as we've seen. Actually, in 2021, it went up 1.4 million fold, or 140 million%. Now, there's a way to evaluate the importance and the growth of a network, and this is something that you should understand, which is when you increase your database, your user base by one number, the price of that coin will go up by that number squared. Example, if you increase your user base tenfold, price can go up 100-fold. Example again with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, the user base went up by 1,000-fold. Price went up 1.4 million-fold. And this happens over and over and over again. So when people like Peter Schiff was asking, but why did Elon Musk buy Twitter? He could have just spent less money and created a new Twitter. Yeah, because he doesn't know how to evaluate the value of the network. The value that Twitter had 400 million users was much more valuable than the actual price tag on the company itself. So that is also something that it's good to realize. That's why having a lot of development in the background, like Cardano has, like PulseChain has, is very important, because as hundreds of projects get developed, if they manage to increase their user base by tenfold, price of the coin can go up to 100-fold. I don't remember the name of this law, but it's actually some sort of almost quasi-scientific stuff. But in any case, when Cardano went up tenfold last time, price went up 100-fold. I mean, this has happened in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Binance, you name it. It has happened BNB many, many times. Other things to be careful: centralized exchanges. You see, when you put your money in an exchange, you become an unsecured creditor. What does that mean? That means that if the exchange goes bankrupt, you can kiss your money bye-bye, or you will be paid at the end. So the secured lenders will be paid first, whoever has liens and warrants will be paid first, and then if something gets left over, you will get it. But the point is, when you place your coins in an exchange, they stop being your coins. You have a promise that someone will give you coins in the future, but if they go bankrupt, you get nothing. Or at least you are very likely to have nothing. Now, going into the next bull market, what is important to note? And this is the dangerous part. You see, in the bull market, a lot of crap goes up. A lot of high-performing assets, being cryptos, exchanges, whatever, they go up. And the issue is that even for a brief period of time, scams can outperform good projects. And this, unfortunately, opens the door to a lot of YouTube specialists, in which basically they are not here. You see, those YouTubers are not around during the bear market or during the recovery year. They come in the bull market when everybody's paying attention to crypto. And they are the ones that help disseminate the idea that trading is easy, that the bear market will never come again. So basically what they will do is they analyze people's basic instincts and feelings, the ones who unfortunately destroy the majority of people, and they feed them. And their plan is to talk about the subject which is being talked about every single day in order to create a following. Then, because we are in the bull market, a lot of things go up. So they will come with continuously videos of these 10 coins will 100x, these 20 coins will 5x, will 50x your money. These coins will do this, these coins will do that. And because we are in the bull market, it's not so hard for some of these to actually go up. The point is, they talk about 500 coins in a span of a month, which the majority of people cannot put $100 in 500 coins, okay? Or more, or $1,000 per coin. And then what they do is, when one of them goes up, they ignore all the other ones that didn't, or that did go up and just crashed and disappeared, or were rug pulled, or were pure scams, blah, 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 all of these things. And what they're going to do is, they will grab that one that went up and say, if you had placed $1,000 in this coin, you now would have $500,000. Please join my Discord so you get the last hot tips. Buy my course so you learn how to trade, blah, 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 all of these things. And you become their passive income. You see, but what I'm trying to say is that they make their money by you buying courses, joining private groups, by their referral links. Remember all those YouTubers promoting FTX? And this is the disgusting part. They promote FTX, they got a bunch of their users destroyed, then they make apology videos, and they cover Sam Bankman-Friedman, and they do this and that, and they get millions and millions of views. So now they're making ad revenue on top of all of that. And they even get followers at the end, where people say, oh my God, thank you for your transparency, thank you for your honesty, oh my God, you also got scammed. They don't even realize that these guys paid to talk about a hot topic, to talk about a guy whom just a few months ago they were receiving hundreds of thousands of dollars for, and now they're getting rewarded for it after destroying the lives of thousands and thousands of their followers. And they will promote things like ICOs, which are filled with venture capital firms that basically get in so early that as soon as the coin launches, they are already up and up in profit. And all the retail people like you and me, the following of these YouTubers are the ones that serve as exit liquidity. So these venture capital firms and all of that can exit on you. In case you don't know what that means dumping on you with stories about how to convince you, and we're going to launch this staking program and that special whatever, and then the project never does what it's supposed to do. It's all about getting venture capital firms their money so you can get out. One of the reasons I don't like Arbitrum that much is because it's full of VCs. Okay, one of the reasons that I don't like Sui that much, same reason, full of VCs. Reason why I don't like WorldCoin is actually entices you to give away your information, which is the opposite of why crypto is invented. Now, am I telling you to go buy, sell all of this? No, you do whatever you want. I really don't care. What I'm trying to say is these are the reasons why I don't like certain projects. And these are the reasons, unfortunately, that will lead people to waste the bull market. And if we have a super cycle, if we have a super bull market, I'm talking if we see Bitcoin going to 500,000, things like that. I mean, I don't think it will, but if it does, my God, you're going to see the biggest party on YouTube is going to happen on this channel. But what I'm trying to say is, if the bull market comes, and if we really have a super cycle, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. And these people, these YouTube guys, they will do everything in their power to destroy it for you. You see, they don't try to destroy it intentionally. They just want to get paid with their sponsorships, referral programs, all of these things, which are all nefarious to their audience. But when they come up with 150K per month to sponsor that, a lot of people cannot refuse. You see, because these people are gamblers, so they buy every coin there is, they spend all their money, so they need a continuous flow of income to come non-stop, and that income comes from people like you and me. And I'm telling you this right now because now there's a lot of talk on crypto on YouTube, but you wait and see for the bull market to see the amount of channels that are going to come up, the amount of channels that are going to get monetized overnight. When I say overnight is in the span of like 3 weeks. It's going to be brutal. And unfortunately, I've seen this movie too many times, and I always see who are the people that pay the price, and are typically people like you and me. So I hope that this video helps you out in understanding what is coming, in understanding the motivations of these people, and hopefully you guys are prepared for one wonderful opportunity that I do believe will be seen in 2024, 2025. So thank you very much, guys, for your support. Don't forget, drop that like and subscribe. That's the only grift that I make. So thank you very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.